So I've always had this nightmare. The next day, I would be supposed to present my architecture project. I haven't been sleeping in days. My laptop is unwell and takes hours to render a simple scene, and all I got is a maquette. And, well, my beloved Photoshop. So my ingredients are a quality maquette or a physical model, and have it photographed at the right angle with a good lighting, and some beautiful textures to replace the original materials. Before doing any big changes, I'm decreasing the saturation of the model. I'm starting with the surfaces and the walls of the building. After selecting the pixels, I'm creating a duplicate, and then I'm adding a concrete texture to this selection. This is how it looks like. The next step would be adding a beautiful window texture. I'm using Ctrl+T command, and then I'm using distort so I can adjust the material in the right perspective. Instead of using a realistic grass texture, I'm using this green watercolor texture to make it look more animated. For the pool area, I'm using this image. I like the blue and I also like the liveliness of the water. As I said before, I don't want realistic materials in this creation. And now for the other side of the pool, I'm flipping this material. And I'm merging these two together. I'm bringing this texture for the floor. Once again, I'm using the distort tool to adjust the perspective. And I'm using multiply for the 10th time in this process. Multiply and overlay are two of my favorite blending modes. And I'm replacing this dead tree with a livelier, more gorgeous tree using the render filter on Photoshop. I believe changing this tree made a huge difference. That's it. And last but not least, I'm using a geometric pattern for the background. And well, for the last part, I would like to add a title with a huge chunky font behind my model. And that is it. In 10 minutes or less, I could use my physical model to create a digital rendering. It means a lot to me if I have your support on my new journey. Thank you in advance and have a great day.